Today we're gonna make homemade yogurt in the air fryer. I know, sounds weird, but if you stick with this, I'm gonna show you the infinite yogurt glitch where you can take a little bit of yogurt and just get as much as you want at home. If you've been meal prepping yogurt right now, you know, like a little jar could run you $5 at the grocery store, but with just a dab of yogurt, I'm gonna show you how to just get endless amounts of it. If you enjoy this content and wanna see more, make sure you like and subscribe for future videos. Let's get to this. So to get started, we're gonna make an ice bath. That's simply one big bowl with ice and then a little bowl within the big bowl on top. And this is gonna help cool our milk. So with our milk, we're gonna heat it up to 185. And with this milk, you can use whole milk, 2% milk, whatever you feel comfortable with. For me, definitely lactose intolerant, so lactose-free milk. Could you technically do this with chocolate milk too? By heating up our milk over here, we're adding viscosity to it to get it a little bit closer to that texture of yogurt, but I'll show you the cool part when we actually use a little bit of yogurt to get even more. All right, so we've hit 185. We're gonna take our milk, add it to our ice bath, and cool it down to 110. We're just gonna whisk this gently to help it cool down a little bit faster. Sweet. All right, now that our milk is at 110, we're going to add our Greek yogurt. With our yogurt in the mix, we're just going to gently stir this thoroughly and make sure all of that is mixed well into the bowl. It's plain, I know, boring, but tell you what, once you're actually done with the recipe, you can add your favorite like puree, you can add fruits, you can even mix protein powder in later to just spice it up and get more proteins. Okay, so this is where the magic happens. When you add the yogurt in, the yogurt has probiotics that mixes into the milk. Once we put this into our jars and throw it into the TurboBlaze, there's a feature on the TurboBlaze that I haven't seen on any other air fryer, which I'll show you later. But basically, once the yogurt sits into our jar, eventually it will ferment and turn into more yogurt. That's where the magic happens. So from here, we're gonna take our new mixture and just fill it up, I think about like 3/4 of the way up. Not all the way up, give it some space. And if you're a perfectionist like me, right there, that's it. Don't show that. All right, now to our jars. We're gonna make sure they're all sealed. Make sure before you do this, your jars are thoroughly clean and sanitized. Otherwise, you're gonna get a bunch of different bacteria mixing. That's not clean anymore. And it's gonna come out differently. In the TurboBlaze, we don't need the crisper plate, so we're actually gonna remove this. And then we're literally gonna take our jars, I know, weird, but trust me, place them into the basket, back into the air fryer. Now in the TurboBlaze, this button right here, proof. That's different. I've never ever seen that on any other air fryer. So we're gonna hit proof. We're gonna bring the temperature to 110, and then we're gonna set our time for 9 hours. So what this process does is it's gonna allow our yogurt and milk mixture to ferment, and then eventually, when we take this out, we're gonna have 5 new batches of yogurt from this little guy. That's literally where the magic happens. All right, it's been 9 hours. Let's check in on our yogurt. Okay, so this is a little warm right now. We're gonna set it right there. Oh yeah, we can still touch this. Nice, look at that. So I don't know about you, but I don't enjoy warm yogurt. We're gonna bring this to our fridge, let it chill, and then we'll enjoy this later. Woo! There it is, our homemade air fryer yogurt. I need to try this with you. Cheers. Look at that, it's not liquidy at all. It's got the right consistency. Oh yeah. Wow, nailed it. Literally it tastes like yogurt that you could just buy at the store. So the cool thing is, this is completely plain. It's a blank canvas. You can add whatever it is that you want to it now. You can mix in your protein powder. You can add fruits. You can do whatever you want to it. You now have the infinite yogurt glitch.